guys, Rider Drive, back with another one, another modification we're gonna do on my Freewheeler in performance orange color. So we ordered the Eagle LED lights, which just came in. There they are. And we're gonna take off these lights. I don't know who makes these, but I'm not a big fan of having smoked tail lights. I don't like the look. I want to make sure somebody sees me, so I swapped them out. Well, I'm going to swap them out. I'm going to put the Eagle LED lights, which also have a strobe feature. So let's go ahead and take these off and get them installed. I'm also going to show how they light up so you can see how these work. Just be right back. Alrighty guys, so there is the flashing of the LED lights. I'm not sure if these are supposed to have a turn signal feature, but I don't think they do. But they are pretty bright, but I think the Eagle lights are going to be much better in addition to them having a strobe feature. So the install should be pretty easy. Taking off these two screws and the light will pop out. So let's go ahead and do that. Alright guys, so when you remove the stock headlight or tail light, you're going to have this gasket, and the package on the Eagle lights does come with this gasket. One side is adhesive, so you stick that on there. That's going to keep any water from getting in, and then basically you just install the light. So let's go ahead and do that and see how it looks. It's easy install. It's only one plug. It's plug and play. Let's go ahead and get this on. Like I said, two screws to remove it right here, easy as pie. And then this sits in there in the headlight, I guess. We'll figure that out. So this is the before light. Not exactly bright as I want it to. This is the light after. Huge difference. We'll get both of them installed and we'll finish up. So these are the lights installed. Very, very bright. I'm going to turn off the light in the garage so you could see them. Like I said, they got the hyper flash. It is very bright. The turn signal. Then we have the emergency flashers. That is very bright compared to what I had before. There it is, boys and girls. That's the HARLEY alarm system coming on, but there it is. They look awesome. I'll touch more on some of the other mods that I have, which is I got the windshield bag and grabber. I think it's Grabber Industries. I'm not too sure. If I'm wrong, I'll put it up in the description, but we got this armrest for the backrest. There it is. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions on these Eagle lights, put it in the comments. Thanks for watching. Ride safe out there.